Hello everybody, welcome back to Chuzgapa Engineering, and we're back with another video on CREO Parametric 2D sketching. In this video we're going to be drawing something like this from this technical drawing. So yeah, without any further ado, we're going to jump into it. Before we move on with the video, I'd highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. It's only going to take you 3 seconds. I'm putting a video out every day now. So yeah, if you don't want to miss all the action, make sure to get subscribed. And one more thing, I will be dropping this technical drawing on a Google Drive link, so you can find it in the description below. If you want to practice it on your own, you can download it. So yeah, I'm gonna close this off and close this window as well. Oops, close this window. Yeah, so yeah, when you open CREO Parametric, you're gonna be seeing this window. To create a new drawing, you're gonna go over here, click the new icon, and make sure to select part. You can name part anything. I'm just gonna name it part 1. Oops, sorry, I think I'm still using it. Let's make it part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the plane displays. So yeah, now we're in our file. So over here you can see 3 planes which are perpendicular to each other. Over here you can see their names, right, top, and front. So in order to enter the sketching mode, I'm gonna select one of the planes. I'm gonna select the top one, and once it's selected and highlighted green, I'm gonna go over here and click the sketch button to enter the sketching mode. To look at the view, look at the plane from a normal direction, we're gonna click the sketch view, so that we can look at the plane perpendicularly. So now I'm looking at my plane, so I don't need to see the boundaries. So I'm gonna go over here and uncheck the plane display icon. Oops, sorry. So we have a more cleaner screen. So as always, if you have been following my older videos, I always mention to always look out for any symmetries in the drawing. So over here you can see that this part is actually symmetrical about this horizontal axis. So what that means is I will only be sketching the upper half, and I will use the mirror command to mirror it on the other side, so I don't have to draw the whole thing. And another thing you can see are these circles that I will be drawing first. So you got 1 circle, 2 circle. I mean, you can consider it as a whole circle, but we're only going to be using one part of it. 2, 3, and then the outer one 4. So I'm going to be making 4 circles, and one of them is going to be a construction circle. So the inner ones has a diameter of 26. I'll go over here, select the circle command, and put it the center of the origin. Make 2 circles initially, and then turn the construction mode on, and make the third one. Turn it off again to make the final circle like this. Perfect. So the inner one had a diameter of 26. So I will double click this and make it 26. So you can see all the diameters have been scaled down relatively to this. So yeah, now I've changed the diameter, but it's still not a locked dimension, which means that if I try and grab and drag the circle, it's going to change this dimension. So I'm going to change it back to 26 and click it and lock it so that I'm not able to change the dimension anymore. So this is 26. The outer one, this one has a radius of 45. So I will go over here. You can see that this has a symbol of diameter. I need to change it to radius, which is going to say R. So I will click it and click this button. It's going to convert the diameter to a radius, and this radius is 45.0. I think it was 45. Yeah, 45. I will lock it again. Yep. Then the outer construction circle, this has a diameter of, okay, it is 80. So I will change the radius to 80. I think it was radius, right? Yeah, radius of 80. And the outer one has a radius of 28 from here. But if I add 28 to 80, which is going to give me 128. So the outer one has a radius of 128. It should be this one. Yeah. So I need to first convert it into radius 128.0, and there we have it. So now I'm gonna log both of these dimensions so they cannot be changed. I think I'm missing one more circle. which is this one. So it has a radius of 64 from center to here. Change it to radius and make it 64.0, and then lock it. I think I'm still missing one more circle. It's this one, I believe. Yes. So the distance between this circular arc radial distance and this one is 16. It can be calculated from these two dimensions. So it's going to be this plus 16, which is going to be 96. So I'll make another circle, and the radius will be 96 if I can change it. Perfect. So now we've got all the main circles that we need. As I mentioned earlier, I don't need the bottom half, so I'm going to delete all these part bits and maybe this side as well, because we've also got asymmetry about this vertical axis as well. So I will only be making just 1/4 of the whole thing. Now one more thing you can see are this axis at 30 degree from the vertical. So I will turn the construction mode on and make a line from the center all the way to the outer circle. And this is gonna be, so this is 30 from here, which means it's 60 from the horizontal, and then from the vertical on the other side it's going to be 60 plus 50 as 150, 60 plus 90 as 150. So I'll make this 150.0 and then lock it again. Perfect. So now what you can see over here is that we've got this circle which has a radius of difference between stop. Start. Yeah, so now we've got this circular arc that has a center on this point. So I will turn the construction mode off, create a circle from this point all the way so that it's joining tangentially at this point on both of these ends. So I will use this delete segment command and delete all the parts that we don't need, like this. So now we've got this bit. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make another circle which is joining this part, and it's going to be joining over here as well. So I'll make another circle, like this, which is tangentially joining around here. Perfect. I think that's right. Yeah. So, and I'll again delete all the parts that we don't need from this. Sorry, I need that one, and I'll delete these bits. And we're gonna make a circle over here like this, and I will delete all the stuff that I don't need, like that. And again I will make, and then also you notice over here that you've got a radius, a fillet of radius 10. So I will make this around here like that. It has to be joining both of these arcs tangentially, and then the radius will be 10.0. I will lock this dimension. Lock it, and then I will delete the bits that I don't need from this. Yeah. So we've got this bit, and I think we're pretty much done. So yeah, I've made 1/4 of this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide all the dimensions like that, and I will select by holding control all of these entities like this, and I will mirror it initially around this axis by clicking mirror, and mirror it about this axis. I will delete this dimension which is making it over constrained, and I will select this bit again and then mirror it out over here. So yeah, you can see that I only made 1/4 of the drawing, and from just 1/4 I was able to complete the whole drawing just because of the symmetries that we had recognized in the start. So yeah, that's how you make a drawing like this. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like the video on the channel and subscribe as well. That would help you a lot. I'm making a video out every single day, so yeah, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on all the action. I've linked down the the Google Drive link for the technical drawing, so you can download it and for your own practice. So you can find the link down in the description. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.